How to add your website link to your Opensea profile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your website link to your Opensea profile fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to opensea.io and then go to the top corner right here and go to profile. After you go to your profile, now you will have two options right here. Choose the settings option. It will take you to this page. Now just go down and you will find this links. Now here is the website. You can add it from here, just like this. How to media, and after you finish, click save and it will be saved. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end.